Vanna lets you query a database by asking questions in plain English. It has the model write the SQL, run it, and then write Python charting code, which it executes. In June 2024, that last step turned a question into remote code execution. The user's question hides an instruction. Before every answer, run this line of code. The model still translates the question into SQL as normal, so the database layer is never the problem here. The generated query runs and returns its rows. Nothing about this step is malicious, and a reviewer watching the SQL layer would see nothing wrong. To draw the chart, Vanna builds a second prompt, asking the model for Python code, and it pastes the user's original question straight into that prompt. The hidden instruction rides along. Vanna's pre-prompt says only generate chart code, but that is ordinary text in the same context, so it loses. The model writes Python that includes the attacker's line, and Vanna runs it with Exec, inside its own process. The code executes with the application's privileges and lists the server's files. The SQL was never the weakness. The model's output was run as trusted code, instead of being treated as untrusted text that merely looks like code.